Express your pain. Tell your pain to someone. Tell your pain to someone. Let somebody cure your pain for you. If you don't feel talk to anybody, call me. Call me. Your secret dies in my inbox. I will advise you. See, if I don't get almost 20,000 followers, I never celebrate them because I never shop 1 naira. Even if I stay a shop 1 naira, my brother, as far as say you they heal through me. Now that one that be my happiness why they win, my gain why they gain, not be money where they want to pay me. See this pain, now real. If me don't see person talk to, when carry me go Nigeria, I can't find my own peace for Nigeria. If you don't want to go home because the way you take them, carry yourself before for Europe, you know, arrange a word, you can't come to frustration and all that. You can't contribute with join the depression. My sister, call me. I'll give you a talk. I'll give you mind. I will give you hope. Forget say who be Ebuwa. If Ebuwa talk to you, you go get joy for life. Except you don't want to tell me the truth. Wait till they go home with you. Many people they will put this platform now for them to use that game for their own self. You see now for that woman when he die. Imagine who need help. Say they want to collect her children from her. You the tell her say now this place you fit talk to people make they contribute. I wish that your salt and water ministry. Just now they don't help hearts because they not be member of salt and water ministry. Maybe if I get like 20 followers for that salt and water ministry, they can't join. You could have been 21. You need followers. When they'll call register, give you money. But you know what kind of person problem got here made a help until you belong to the salt and water ministry. Everybody they fight for their pockets. Nobody send you for life, my sister, my brother. Use your number 6. Look for somebody who will advise you. Forget about your help or whatever. See, words of advice it can push person go far. Words of advice. Forget money. After you don't get the words of advice, when you go last your mind, then you'll call a person who will help you. Person will help you hard with that money when you need. But the depression still they weigh you down. The thinking still they weigh you down. But on that thing you will fair cure, my brother. Because on that thinking I lead this woman to this death. Don't be surprised if they feel they eat, they feel they survive. Wait if I come for the country where they feel when they go out that country, they need help. They go feel help, they don't go feel help. See that thinking low. When they don't feel they put fear for our mind, you don't set down to early grave. I wish better person did that woman life. No, for the encourager. My sister forget even though they carry go Nigeria, beg you still come back now, but if you not follow you, follow the other side. See that word alone. Now she go call a fit purpose for station. I be carry me go ask. People they don't give her hope. People they don't encourage her, we don't help her with words of encouragement. But rather than the idiot ones who go, that fear alone. Pray make you not jump, make you not make God not let you not jump people who go have problem with their mouths. May God not let you not jump people we go have problem with their mouths. May God not let you not jump people when I go discuss with tell us say see problem when you pass through. They go have fire John now when you go put fear for your body. Not be help they help. They want send you to hell grave. Because they don't see the fear already. They want have fear, Jonah. My sisters, my brother. the grace of God to find somebody who will stand by you. Now, make if you see somebody who will stand by you, not just that person play. Don't let anybody spoil your mind against that person. Because your God sent. That make ungrateful soul that they hardly see help. Why you want to kill yourself? Why? Which reason? You see all this pain, if it happen, you feel say you want die. You don't be like relationship whereby you too love this person. As soon as you separate, you say I want die. Give her 2-3 weeks. You know they see this person face again. You know they think about her again, and you can't let her give another person a chance. May take on. Although they just they talk, you know they laugh. You don't forget about that one. It cause you pain. So now so situation be. Give her some time. Let her weigh you down. Let her depress you. Let her lay you. Let people know. Say this person. Say okay. They don't they talk. Say okay. You don't they meet him. You know say call lay. They believe say who depression. Who depression they worry now they lay. So who they suffer now they lay. They feel say fat people. Say don't they go through anything. People they we go they think they fat. When they pass through hair they fat. Now nation now depends of body. So now senseless people now they think say you they slim, say they go through pain. My sister let them talk. Now for some time will weigh you. 2-3 weeks, 1 month latest, you don't get yourself back. That moment where that thing you start, now will weigh you. Now make this mind there so put it stronger by your own self. Strong your mind. Strong face say this way they call no problem. I full gram back no problem. If care is not taken, use the fees to follow up. Don't let your enemy laugh you. Don't let them stand for your eye. Because now waiting they plan. So why you want to kill yourself? Tell me why you want to kill yourself. She said only you want the face her. Hey Jesus. Me don't they do Facebook. You know, so Nigeria I can't really stand this thing. I don't they do Facebook before I know say. Even when they carry me wrong come Nigeria for. Say many people doing my situation better pass. Though I come, I get myself. But now me they tell you now. If you don't build us, my sister, forget us. Forget us. Fair go cure yourself. Go cure the pain. When they do you. Come home. Come home. Come home, my brother. Come home, my sister. Kidnapper, thief, wish, whatever, you know they exist. If you don't carry yourself, go meet them. I don't want to carry you, go meet them. A person near you. Come home. No matter what they face for abroad, nobody to talk to for abroad. Abroad is so lowly. Loneliness for Nigeria, of course. But you'll still find peace if you get money to shop. You get money to pay us rent. If you go home, you gonna know what I tell about. I wish that woman give chance make she to say go home. They deport her, they not deport her. She go forget herself back. I tell you. She'll forget herself back. Because not be deportation lead this woman. Say make she go for up jump. Tell her husband, say, come cook for me. The husband say food not there has. You say, although you know that this last food you want cook for me. Because don't tell husband say if they say they want deport her, she will kill herself. If they say they want collect paper, she will kill herself. Wait to be paper. Wait to be paper. Hey God. Now if you dey pursue money for abroad, now this paper is very important. If you know they work, paper dey your hand. You never see when enemy go turn use paper turn full scar for your hand. No, you are just work. When there is life, there is hope, my sister, my brothers. Cause the thing pain me like a mother. I laugh at my child. You know sometimes, my baby will ask me, "Mommy, why you doing like this? Mommy, why you doing like this? Everything you always do like this." You don't know where my brain go. When make me do like this, I do it for my body. I do it for your body. I throw it for window. Or if not door. You don't know where to me reason. You don't know where my mind go. But all of a sudden, you see me say they do like this. He goes, "Mommy, why you doing like this? Why you always do like this? Why do you always do like this?" See, even if you do all top, they pass through pain too. My brother, my sister, why you want to kill yourself? This question, it like You see this Nigerian why I do so? May God forbid bad things. Say my enemy come like face waiting. I get cough, Jerry. This thing, not a lot face. My nose don't block. Catalog recovered. Say my enemy come face waiting and not supposed face. See this orange. Come when I see me, come let me see do one because I don't feel do one when they grow. They come. I feel do one for me to go do a shower because my shit no go come. I feel sell them. I will you carry the thing. I will put them from outside of my house. Why don't talk? Why don't done more? As I say money go they come out until the shop because I know they share for any life. Who laugh me today, not go laugh me tomorrow. And that's why they do. If I see spring up tomorrow, you go see another jeep when I don't draw come and say, hey, this man don't spring up again. That's all life be. For me to go sell myself and I be the next option, God forbid. I have my pride. I come and they come talk about sex. I just want to put many relationships, many marriages, all of this. I mean, now they kill themselves for any woman matter. Woman will love you, not go stress you. I know why I talk about that thing. But that one not be my calling. Not be that one I can't do for Facebook. I just want to talk that one. This is my calling. To give you hope for life. To give you happiness. To make you restore your joy back. This is my calling. I go do it in a waiting I call a white way, like Ogbaje way. I go do it Christianity way from one. But this is my calling. If you like, take up. I want to give you hope. I want to give you mind. I want to give you happiness. I want to restore your joy back. Because I don't feel pass through all those things when you go through, my sister. Stay alive, take care of your children. This one don't die and I don't waka. You know they regret. There is life after life. No fear say, come on, I tell you about air fire. Air fire not be weird. Nobody they go air fire, come back, tell us air fire bill. If you don't go, you don't go. I don't dream. See, evil, like, a for Bini. Many times I they talk this thing, people never want to believe me. I did dream, I call a run, follow inside bush. They go. The bush they face around, very big bush they face around. Now people call it pursue me. I can't run, I can't run, come out for inside that bush gate. Inside that bush gate, one house can't dare the corner of the fence when they take fence the bush round. So the junction of the fence and the bush and the house like this can't dare like me can't stand for center. They have somebody say, I beg. Where of you pass, come and go so this place. They say this place is a dead land. Oh. And I say, why you say this place is a dead land? Not a person is not for outside, so he said a dead person. Not if people they pass, so he said a dead people they be. Even you when they talk, they say a dead person in be. That's why I stay wake up. Ever since then, every time my mind go that side, say, God, so there is another world after this world. And all of you deceive say fire, heaven, na lie. You know it's be a call fire. You don't ever dream bad dream, horror dream. Where you try to wake up, you go wake up fear. Fear not let you go back to. Fear not let you go back to sleep. That be a fire. If you die in sinful way, you go dream bad dream. You know if you wake up, you don't die. You go dream bad dream, you the road they go, you can never rest, no peace of mind, no rest of mind, no rest in peace. You go run. You go run. Now make a fire do bad at the fear.